Have you noticed this? Around some people, you feel normal, and around others, you don't feel like yourself at all. You're quieter, more careful, and afterward you can't explain why. You replay the interaction later. You wonder what you said wrong, or why you didn't say more. Most people blame confidence here. Psychology says that's the wrong explanation. This isn't shyness, and it isn't insecurity, because confidence doesn't disappear randomly. It changes with context. Your body reacts before your mind does. Tone, facial reactions, power dynamics. Your nervous system scans all of it instantly. And if something feels unpredictable, it tightens. That's when you start monitoring yourself. You filter jokes. You soften opinions. Not because you're weak, but because your system is trying to stay regulated. Over time, this does something dangerous. You start believing this restricted version of you is the real one. It isn't. It's a survival version. Around the right people, you don't need effort to be yourself. Around the wrong ones, you shrink without noticing. The solution isn't confrontation. It's awareness. Notice who expands you and who compresses you. Your body already knows. You don't need drama to trust it. You don't need to change who you are. You need fewer environments that ask you to disappear. Improve quietly.